welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween. How are you all doing? I really missed you all last week and I'm so happy to be back and filming, and I just want to say thank you for understanding why I couldn't film last week. I explained it all in my last video, and if you didn't see that then I'll link it somewhere up on screen so you can check that out. But today, while it's almost Halloween, I really wanted to sit down and film a Halloween tutorial. I'm quite nervous because I've never done a Halloween makeup look before, apart from a few years ago I did Barbie, but that doesn't really count. But I really wanted to sit down, film a Halloween tutorial for you guys using all drugstore and affordable products as per usual on this channel. So if you want to see how I got transformed into a red devil, then please keep on watching. I'm super nervous because obviously it is a red devil look and I will be painting myself red, and I really hope that it washes off okay because I've got to go furniture shopping tomorrow. So fingers crossed. This is what I will be using first. It is, I just picked this up from my local Asda, but any red face paint will do. This one is the Smithy's Makeup FX. I'm scared. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I'm just using an old foundation brush that I don't really want to use again, so make sure that you're not using your best brushes if you're working with paint, because we just don't know if I'll ever get it off again. So it's quite thin on the skin, it's quite sheer, so what I'll probably do is I'll probably do 2 layers of this. Oh my god, what am I doing? Now I'm not doing my ears because I have a wig that I'm going to use to cover my ears, so I'm not going to bother. If you are having your hair up, or if you've got short hair and not wearing a wig, then I would recommend covering your ears up as well. I'm not going to do my whole body, and I'm not doing my arms as well. I have red gloves that I'm going to be wearing. Okay, so we're getting a bit of it. It is patchy as we're getting a bit of a coverage now. I'm hoping that when we set it with some powder, that it won't look as ridiculous. Sure, I fill it into my neck rolls. Okay, so I look truly ridiculous. I don't look like a devil. I don't look anything like a devil at the moment, so we'll keep going. The show must go on. So to set all of that, I'm going to take the Revolution blush in the shade Pop My Cherry, and it's this really red blush. It's about the reddest one I could find on drugstore, so I'm just going to apply that all over the face, and hopefully it'll set because it's just so shiny. I don't even think it's the colour that's the problem, it's just so shiny with the light. So I'm just going to absolutely pack this on. God, please don't let this delivery be for me. And just remember guys, that I am not a Halloween makeup person. This is the first time I've done it, so don't judge me. Okay, so we've got our colour on, finally. That took forever. I've matted it down a little bit. It's still pretty shiny. I wish you could see my desk, it's just red. Okay, so now I need to add some shade and light to my face to give it some dimension. So I'm going to take the Essence All About Matte Fixing Powder, and I'm just going to put that on my chin, down my nose, on my forehead, and under my eyes. So moving on to the brows, I'm going to use the Revolution gel eyeliner in black. I really wanted to block out my brows and do a different shape, but I don't know where my glue's gone. Okay, I just added some more powder, but my brows need to be a bit darker, so I'm going to go in with the MUA matte eyeshadow in the shade Smoke. Now, to contour, I bought this palette. How cute is that? It's adorable. So I bought this palette for this shade over here. Yeah, it doesn't have a name. The palette is called Very Bad. So I bought this palette for this shade to contour with, but I'm not sure if it's going to be dark enough now after seeing how red the face paint is. I might have to use black, but I'll try this first and see how we get on. So I'm not working really hard to blend it that much. I want quite a harsh contour. Okay, now I'm just going to take more of the MUA matte black shadow. So like I say, I'm not being super precise and blending and all that stuff as I would if I was contouring my normal face. I'm just going in and just putting the shades there just to give my face some dimension. So I'm just putting the black on first, then going in with that berry shade from the e.l.f. palette. Has anybody ever seen the film Legend? Not the Tom Hardy, Craze Brothers one. The one with Tim Curry and Tom Cruise. I loved that film when I was a kid, and that's the Lord of Darkness in that. I'll put a picture up on screen if you've never seen it, but that's the kind of look I want to go for today, because the horns, the devil horns that I got really remind me of his horns, so that kind of inspired me to do the devil look. What are everyone's plans for Halloween this year? I know that we can't really do much with COVID. I'll be taking my son out for the pumpkin hunt, looking around for pumpkins in windows. Okay, so I've taken this contour way too far and now I'm looking like I'm giving myself a goatee. You know what? I'm just going with it. Now for eyes, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Renaissance eyeliner, and I'm just going to use this to create the shape of my wing, and then I'm going to fill it in with gel liner. Maybe have some glitter. I'm gonna go for it, but first what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna get some more black eyeshadow and just pack that onto the eyelid. And I'm not being precise or anything with this, I'm just gonna throw it on there. I'm just going to take that berry shade again from the Very Bad eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. I'm just going to use that to just blend the black out just a little bit. I'm not really going too hard in on the blending. This isn't really about the eye look. Now, I'm just going to take the Barry M glitter dust in the shade 22, and it's just like a black glitter. Okay, now I'm just going to brush off my fake. I need to try and do something about this contour, I need to fix it. So I'm just going to take more powder. Who do I remind myself of? I think... is it that guy out with Star Wars? I think it's that red guy out with Star Wars. That's was watching me in this tutorial. I'll have to look up his name because I don't watch Star Wars, I've never seen it. But I look like that red guy out of Star Wars. Oh god. Just gonna pop some more powder under this contour. Just to sharpen it up. I'm just going to put it along my jawline as well to try and take down this gravity a little bit. And I'm just going to add some mascara. I'm just going to pop on some lashes. So for my waterline, I picked up these from Asda. They were also Smithy's Makeup Makeup FX. They're just these 3 little crayons. So I've got the black one, white one and a red one. I'm going to put the red one in my waterline. I think for the lower lash line I'm just gonna, I think I should just make it really black and really smoky. Let's see that black down my nose. I wish I had some contacts. Why didn't I get contacts for this look? So I've got a new highlighter to try out today. I picked it up the other day and it's by Girls for Girls. It's called Easy Tiger. It's like a cute little gold colour, so I'll try that out today. Now, so I'm just going to go back into the makeup crayons that I've got, and I'm just going to take the black one just to line my lips. So I was looking for a black lipstick and I really struggled to find one in Drugstore. The only one that I could really find was the Jeffree Star one, which even if this wasn't a Drugstore channel I still would not use. But I did pick up this one from Barry M. It's not the best lipstick because it is sheer and I prefer matte ones, but I'm just going to put some powder on top. But this one is in the number 37 and it's just a black lipstick. I'm just going to get into the rest of my costume and I will be right back. Okay guys, so here it is. I mean, the costume, I did order a costume and it did not come in time, so I've had to make do with this cheap cape that's made of, I don't even know what it's made of, but it sounds so cheap, and this wig was the cheapest one they had online. So don't hate me for being thrifty guys, that's the point of this channel. I'll never wear it again and it's definitely more orange than red, but the horns are cute. I really do like the horns. Oh, I've got black lipstick all over my teeth. This has been so much fun. I really enjoyed doing this tutorial. I know it wasn't, I mean, I've got some balls to call it a tutorial, haven't I? I was teaching myself really how to do Halloween makeup, but I will try my best for next year to get a bit better at it, and hopefully I need to do something about these lips. I really enjoy doing these videos for you, whether they turn out well or not, whether I look like I've got a goatee or not. But the point is that I had loads of fun filming, and it wouldn't be a Halloween tutorial if I didn't ask what your favourite scary movie is. So I'll put mine down in the comments, so please reply to me and let me know what yours yeah, so please reply and let me know what your favourite Halloween scary movie is, and also let me know if you are also dressing up this year. I know that a lot has happened this year and we haven't been able to do the things that we really want to do, but you know, it is what you make it, and I hope that you all have an amazing Halloween, and I will be back next week. I've got a new palette to review, so I'm really excited about that. I will be doing a requested look So I'm also very excited about that I'm getting requests. So thank you for that, and please keep asking me to do stuff. But I have had so much fun today, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I've got hair all over my face. This wig is so cheap. Have a wonderful Halloween, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.